What's up, babes? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Angel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this soft glam affordable drugstore makeup look. So if you guys would like to see how I got this look only using 2 eyeshadows, then just keep on watching. So of course my eyelids are already primed, and for shadow I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution Reloaded palette, and this one is in Velvet Rose. If you guys do not know, these palettes are bomb.com, super affordable, and you can find them at Ulta. So the first shade I'm going into is this chocolate brown shade right here, and I'm just going to use this to transition with. So next I'm going in with these 2 dark eyeshadows. They're like kind of like a reddish brick shade, and I'm going to go ahead and keep building up this eyeshadow look. And then for my brow bone, I'm going to take this really pretty neutral peachy shade in this palette, and I'm going to go ahead and use that for underneath my brow bone. So like I told you guys, this eyeshadow look was going to be super simple. I only used literally like 2 eyeshadows. So super easy, super simple glam makeup look. So I'm going to go ahead and pop on my lashes, and I'll be back. So now that the lashes are on, we're going to go ahead and finish up the eyes. So going back into that same eyeshadow palette, I'm going to take this pretty golden shade right here, and I'm just going to pop it into my inner corner. I feel like just that extra little step goes a long way in making a basic eyeshadow look glam, and it does bring that attention back to the eyes, even though there's not much going on at all. And I know I told you guys that I'm going to start using some new products here on my channel very soon. So yeah, I've already used the eyeshadow palette that we used, so we're jumping into the face now. And for primer, I'm using the NYX Angel Veil Primer. I've heard so many good things about this primer, and I am super excited to try it, although I don't really know how I'm gonna... Oh my god, I literally just squirt this stuff all over my lights. Wow. It feels really smooth on the skin. I really do like the texture of this, and I like the way it's feeling. I have been having some problems with like my skin feeling kind of textured. It hasn't felt really smooth like it normally and usually feels. So I feel like this really did help, and it's not drying like dewy, or it doesn't look hydrating or look shiny or anything. So that's a really good thing. It assures me that I'm not gonna be a grease ball by the end of the day. I think I like it. My skin feels really good. I think I like it. So now moving on to foundation. For foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless foundation, and of course I'm in Coconut 355. I've been wanting to try some new foundations like the L'Oreal one. I've even wanted to try the concealer for you guys, but first of all, the shade range on the concealer is just, I'm over it. As far as the foundation, I have not been interested in trying anything new as far as face products and foundations, because my skin has been breaking out really bad. I'm not really used to my skin breaking out like this, so it's been doing crazy stuff. So I've been trying to stick to some things that I know my skin likes, and that I know is not going to break me out. Like, shout out and kudos to those people like here on YouTube that literally don't mind reviewing things, whether their skin breaks out, they have an allergic reaction, and all that crazy stuff. But honey, I'm not here for it. I'm not gonna do it. Like, my skin means everything to me. So some stuff you guys will see I'll do a review on and I'll try, and some things I'm like, oh no ma'am, not trying that. But for concealer, I'm using the ColourPop No Filter Concealer, and of course I use the shade Dark 40. I know for a fact this is a really good concealer. I wanted to try that L'Oreal concealer so bad, y'all, but the shade range, it just was not doing it for me at all. And then to set, I'm using the Black Opal finishing powder. I have really been loving this powder, like to set underneath my eyes with. Between this one and the Black Radiance, they are like the best two setting powders from the drugstore that I really like. And I really like to press this powder into the skin. I feel like it gives just enough of a highlighting effect without overdoing it. I like that this powder is not too yellow and it's not like too neutral or anything. And it does not leave flashback because it does have a little bit of color to it. So my dark circle under eye girls, you better get you some, honey. Then of course, to contour my nose, I'm using the Black Radiance pressed powder. And this one is in the shade Rich Mahogany. Then for powder, I've been super excited to get my hands on this baby. So this is the Maybelline Super Stay Powder Foundation. I am also interested in seeing what this powder foundation is going to act like without any foundation, like just powder on the skin. Let me know if you guys want to see me try this as literally a powder foundation. This powder is literally packing with coverage. Like, this powder is crazy. Like, this is some really good coverage. It almost reminds me of the MAC Studio Fix Plus powder. Y'all know that is my favorite powder, hands down. This is kind of giving me vibes of MAC powder, and it looks really good and really full coverage. So to slam down my face a bit and to go ahead and add some shadow to the face, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte powder foundation. Is this a powder foundation? I guess it's just a powder. But anyways, I've been really loving to contour with this. So I guess in this video, I'm showing you guys some new products that I've been liking to use and trying out some new products. So yeah. I think I used this in my last video and I absolutely love how it turned out. It's not a super harsh contour or anything, like it's just enough, For blush, I'm going to be trying something new, and I'm going to be trying the Profusion Blush and Glow 2 palette. And by the way, you guys, I actually found this at my local TJ Maxx. Do not sleep on TJ Maxx and Marshalls and those stores like that, you guys. You can find really good quality makeup for low prices. I'm talking Bare Minerals, I'm talking Anastasia Beverly Hills, I'm talking e.l.f., I'm talking Simple, like makeup wipes. I literally went in there today, you guys, and I found a bunch of stuff. So I'm going to be mixing these two blushes here, and just to kind of give me like a coral peachy kind of cheek. I want something a little bit darker than this one, but not as dark as that. So we're just going to mix them together. That's really pretty. And normally when it comes to blush, I don't like a bunch of shimmer and glitter in my blush. I tend to just like, you know, something that's just pretty much matte. But this one is really pretty. And then for highlighter, I'm going to be using the new Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter. I'm familiar with their formula. I love Wet n Wild highlighters. They are literally bomb, especially this one right here, the Mega Glow highlighters. This one is in the shade Awesome Blossom, and I love how bronzy it is. Like, it is really pretty. I don't know if you guys can see it. It is really pretty. And I bought this because I feel like once I get my summer tan, since springtime is rolling around, this is going to be a more pretty and natural, realistic highlighter compared to the ones that have a more champagne, light gold kind of feel to it. I feel like this one is going to be a lot prettier on my tan skin. Ooh. Off the bat, it's really pretty. I am going to mix it because this highlighter in that Profusion palette is just looking real yummy to me. But you really do have to build up this highlighter. But it's going to be really pretty on my tan skin. Really pretty. And if you're a lot darker than me, or if you're like one of my chocolate babies, my chocolate drops, this highlighter is going to be really bomb against your chocolate skin. Like, it's going to show up even more than what is showing up on me. So my camera actually cut off while I was filming the rest of my highlighter. So I did go ahead and add a little bit of the Profusion Glow and Blush Kit to my highlighter. And I did it because it gave me a more golden look that I was looking for. And it looks so yummy, y'all. I just had to. So the shade that I used was this pretty shade right here. Y'all, that shade is so beautiful. Like, you know what? As a matter of fact, I'm about to add a little bit more of that to my inner corner area. I'm actually going to go back into the Makeup Revolution. And then I'm going back into the Makeup Revolution palette. And I'm going to use the shade right here. And I'm going to smoke out my bottom lash line with it. Then I'm taking a little bit of the Maybelline Big Shot Mascara and I'm going to apply it to my top and bottom lashes. You guys know I have to be 100% honest with you. So for lips, y'all, I am using Matte Cork and I'm using Matte Kinda Sexy. Now, I do have two dupes since I am breaking the rules. A dupe for Cork would be NYX Suede Lip Liner in Downtown Beauty. And a dupe for Kinda Sexy by MAC would be Wet n Wild Think Pink. Y'all know I got you. But I'm going to go ahead and cheat a little bit because I really like this lip that I had on the other day. I actually was going to use MAC Oyster Girl, but instead I'm using Black Radiance Brilliant Effects Lip Gloss. And they don't have shades, but this one is 3250. And it's like a pinky kind of shimmer lip gloss. And it's similar to Oyster Girl. It's just a really pretty gloss. These glosses are bomb.com. So that is pretty much it for this soft glam look. If you guys like videos like this using affordable drugstore makeup, give this video a big thumbs up. And if you guys like the channel, go ahead and make sure you smash that subscribe button so you can become a part of the gang. And hit that notification bell so you won't miss any more of my uploads. So that is pretty much it. Remember to be blessed and follow your dreams. And I will see you guys in my next video.